Jai Hind everyone. In last class we have studied about northern plains, and northern plains are more fertile region of the India, and these soil are coming with the silt and sand of the rivers and their tributaries. Just because of this soil, this region is more fertile region. And today we are going to learn about river basin in the northern plains. Many river basins are there, which names are on that rivers. The northern plains can be divided into three river basins. Three main rivers are there, and there are three basins named after that rivers. The Ganga basin in the center, the Brahmaputra basin in the east, and the Indus basin in the west. The Ganga basin in the center, in the middle Ganga basin, the Brahmaputra basin in the east, and the Indus basin in the west. Firstly, we will learn about the Ganga river basin. The Ganga basin covers an area of 8,61,404 square kilometer in the North India. The river originates from the Gangotri glacier at Gomukh in the Himalayas. The Ganga river originates from the Himalayas. It's coming from Gangotri glacier and Gomukh in the Himalayas. Flows swiftly down the mountains and enters in the plains. At Haridwar, it flows through Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The Ganga glacier melt and it's coming from them Gomukh from Himalayas. The Ganga river flows swiftly from the mountains and enter in the plains at Haridwar, and it flows through many states which are given here: Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Bihar and West Bengal also. As it flows down the plains, it joined by the tributaries. As it flows down to the plains, when it's coming down from the plains, it joined many tributaries, many short rivers with them. The Yamuna is the longest tributary of the Ganga. The Yamuna river is the longest tributary of the Ganga, and it joined it in Allahabad. Yamuna river joined the Ganga in the Allahabad, and the meeting point of this river Ganga and Yamuna is called Sangam. Sangam is very famous place, that is, and Yamuna and Ganga both meet here. The eastern part of the basin receives more rainfall than the western part. The eastern part of the basin of this Ganga receives more rainfall than the western part of the plains. Most of the rainfall occurs during the rainy to monsoon season. The major crops are grown in the Ganga basin are wheat, rice, jute and sugarcane. Wheat, rice and sugarcane are grown in the Ganga basin. The Ganga basin is called the food bowl of the India. Ganga basin is called the food bowl of the India because its fertile soil is ideal for the growing food crop. Its ideal soil means its good crop is good for the food crops which are growing here. The Ganga basin is called the food bowl of the India. The Ganga basin is the most populated part of the India. is a home to more than 500 million people, making it most populated river basin in the world. The Ganga basin is the most populated part of the India and is a home of to more than 500 million people, making it most populated river basin of the world. The Ganga river basin is the most populated area of the world because its fertile region and mostly food crops are growing here, and it is suitable for the people. That's why millions people living in this area, and it makes it most populated river basin of the world. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.